Hey guys, what's going on? This is Atavi here, back with another video on this channel. And now this video is not a tutorial video. In this video I'm going to talk about something about this channel and the future of this channel. So what exactly am I talking about? Why did I make this video? So if you are not new to this channel, you know that I have been posting videos for a very long time, very inconsistently, but for a very long time. And I started this channel because I looked up to guys like Travis Media when I was in learning React, when I was learning the MERN stack. I was learning to Travis Media courses, and I used to think that these people are so cool. They make content and they basically make a living out of it. And I found that very fascinating because I somehow thought that there is some kind of a creator in me. So I decided that I will start slowly and post some videos on my YouTube channel. And funnily enough, now I work for Travis Media on freelance basis, sometimes, very rarely, but sometimes, yeah. The first shot posted on his channel is edited by me, so it's something to brag about. But anyways, back to topic. I started posting tutorials on the channel, and tutorials worked. They get a lot of likes, they got a lot of engagement. I received a lot of positive feedback, and companies started to reach out to me to give me paid gigs. Everything was really amazing. So why am I making this video? It is because I'm afraid that it's not working anymore, or maybe it's just that I'm not feeling interested in doing that anymore. Let me explain. So I'm at a point where I don't know if my tutorial videos will give anyone value at all. So if you look at my tutorial videos, most of those are solving some kind of problem, because at one point, I'm talking about pre-AI or very early AI stages, where I used to post videos on this channel. I used to make videos on integration of Stripe, integration of different payment methods like Polar, and used to make a lot of random tutorials here and there based on the web. And I used to make them because those things were difficult to do back in the day, and people used to search for these terms. Nowadays, AI has made this a lot simpler. Now you can simply one shot an integration which is decent enough to work, and you don't have to go to a YouTube video to watch those. Now, I'm not saying that AI has ruined my channel and AI is the root of all evil and everything. I'm not going into all of that. I feel like AI is really amazing, and it's just going to help me pivot this channel to a better place than just posting tutorials that don't even make sense anymore. So if you pick any of my tutorials now, so for example, the Stripe tutorial, and if you just ask your agent, just ask Cursor that, hey, this is my application, I want to integrate payments, I have used BetterAuth, or okay, even if you haven't used BetterAuth, you just say that I have this backend framework, I use Hono, help me add payment integration. It will do it for you. It's not even that hard anymore. It's not gonna do a really good job at it. It's gonna be a decent work, but it's gonna do it for you. And if these AI prompts can one-shot my entire tutorials, these tutorials are not useful anymore. And the stats say, I'm not really saying that these stats hurt me. I have a really different approach towards my YouTube channel. I don't rely on these stats. I don't rely on AdSense revenue at all. These videos give me opportunities, and I accept these opportunities, these paid gigs, and that's how I earn for a living. So it's not really that these stats are hurting me, but it's a clear indicator that these videos are not providing value anymore. And if these videos are not providing value anymore, there's no point in making them, right? So I want to make changes to this channel so that I'm providing value in some or the other way. You can put this as skill issue and say that my tutorials are just not good, and I would agree. Actually, I would agree. My tutorials are relatively short, and they are integrations based a lot of time, because I want to build a relationship with some companies. That's why I target these specific companies and make videos on them. That was my initial strategy. Sometimes I still do that. So you can call it skill issue. There are a lot of people who create really amazing tutorials like Code with Antonio. You should check his channel out. Those tutorials are really in depth, and if I had the courage to do that myself, I would have done that. It's really not easy to make tutorials on YouTube. And now I'm going to talk about where this channel is headed. I'm not leaving programming. I'm not afraid of AI taking my job. In fact, I'm really interested in where this AI stuff is going. I'm really passionate about AI. The thing is that I want to build more. AI has given this special ability to do more in less time if you're using your brain, and of course if you're not vibe coding. So I want to take that opportunity and try to do something about it, try to build more stuff on this channel, leverage AI to do all of that, and also learn something in process, right? So that's the plan of the channel. I still don't know the specifics, I still haven't figured it out yet, but I'm laying out a plan, and hopefully I should have some kind of content ready in the coming weeks. So yeah, let's hope for that. Also, this might sound a bit rude, but I'm actually trying to move on from the beginner audience. I cannot post videos that are super technical and go in depth if I'm always targeting beginner audience, and the integration videos are usually only targeting beginner audiences. So I want to target intermediate to advanced developers. These people know how to code, these people know how React works. They don't need basic tutorial to be explained how everything works under the hood. They know the basic idea, they just want to know, they just want to see people build, and they just want to know the in-depth stuff they probably might not know, or they might want to know the news of the current things happening in the space. Like React has drama all the time. We have had 3 CVs and I haven't made a single video on it because I was out of city, so that's a bummer. But hopefully React, next time you have a CV, I will cover that in the video. That's such a lame thing to say. Another reason I would like to appeal to a intermediate or advanced level audience is because these people usually like to code. The beginners, they are still exploring, and that's nothing wrong. You should explore, because if you're not loving to write code, there's no point in doing that. I always believe that. So I want to appeal to people who are passionate about code and really interested about it, and that way even I am motivated to create content that really is liked by people and is even liked by me. And yeah, I'm also running out of tutorial ideas. It's very difficult to come up with tutorial ideas. There's only so much you can make, especially with integration tutorials. There's only a couple of famous things in every single niche that you can cover, and anything else you cover does not get any reach at all. I want to cover tutorials, but they need to be something in depth, not just integration tutorials. And I want to build something. I want to create more live streams on this channel. I want to do a lot of cool stuff. So the future of this channel is bright, and if you want to ride along, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I'm still planning stuff out. I still don't know how I'm gonna pull this out. I'm kind of stressed out. This is like pivoting a channel is something I'm doing for the very first time in my life. So, and it is a process. It's not really easy. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out, and yeah, hopefully we can pull this off, right? Oh, and I also want to post a lot of news going on in the field, and I also want to just go ahead and just do random deep dives and stuff that doesn't matter. Basically, I just want to do stuff that doesn't revolve tutorials all the time. Now, that does not mean that I'm not going to post tutorials. I'm going to post some integration tutorials sometimes, but it's not going to be the norm on this channel anymore. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next whatever video it's going to be. I don't even know at this point. So yeah, bye.